Ayan guys, nandito kami sa Owndays. Sobrang nasira na yung isang salamin niya. Ito yung nagustuhan niya, yung frameless. Kaso nga, fragile nga yan siya. At hindi maingat si ate.
Wow, parang bait-bait. How about me, Oli? Is this good?
You like it?
Do you like it? Wow! Wow, nakaka-genius. Parang dire-diretso magsalita. This one, blueberry cheesecake.
Nandito pala kami ngayon sa sementeryo. Saan kayo nakakuha ng kandila? Saan? Buti meron sila.
Meron nga isa caretaker.
Why? Ubos na yung ano. Sige, lagyan natin. Hinahanap niya yan. Hindi yan gagana. May straw yan.
But there's already. Wait.
May straw nga yan.
Ito, oh, may tubig. There's tubig kasi, there's a hole.
Tanggalin mo na yan. Sige na. Mahirapan ka dyan.
Can someone hold this?
Itong dalawa sa tatay.
Isa lang sana. Okay. Akala ko tigi-tigi sa kayo eh. Okay na yan.
Is it okay if it's wet outside?
Yeah. Yan. Nahanap pa si ito ni Oli. Oli, meron na wala pa rin. Yan. Basa. Yun. Yan. Hinahanap niya yan eh. Yung may pausok. Nandito pala kami ngayon sa Bottegi. Puro puno doon sa Texas, ano pa ba, Italianos tsaka sa Modern Shanghai.
Ayun ang family bundle.
Sige. You're so very hungry, ma. Pero may additional yata sila ay tonkatsu.
Tonkatsu ako.
Wait, Oli, okay? We'll order na. Guys lang, tapos yung additional na lang.
Bago siguro.
Sige pa. Condensing na lang.
Mommy, is Coke Float yummy? Is the Coke Float good? I thought you were gonna buy me merch of this
Parang feeling ko dalawang ganito.
Hindi. May order din kasi. Ito sa akin pa. May tempura. Tempura, bibili pa si Chloe. Kasi konti lang yung nandun.
3 pieces lang.
Ang inano ko lang kasi yung panamaka. Kasi good for more siya. Ano? Bundle.
Wow.
Tapos, chicken teriyaki. May
Oh, wow.
isang coke. Ano kayo yun eh? Tempura siya.
Ayun lang.
Tempura and rice. Rice bowl. Ano, yun na lang yung wing. Tanggalin na lang natin yung pwede sa tanggalin. Kay Ali, ano? Tonkatsu. Sa bundle, ilang pieces yung takoyaki. Okay na ba?
Pinakabalin na kasi yun eh.
Okay na. Wala. Fill up ka na. Name mo. Ang cute naman.
Sa festival yan, ano pwede makita yung glasses na.
Ayan.
Sa festival yan.
Ay, ito Sunny's to eh. Yung sa Owndays niya nasira na talaga. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa Owndays. Nauna muna kami ni Ayi. Yeah. Para mas sobrang nasira na yung isang salamin niya. Ito pang ano lang niya to eh. Ayaw niya talaga to. Pang...
No, I got used to it na.
Yan, kasi, pero nung una ayaw niya to, ito yung sa Sunnies. Kaya pang reserba lang niya. Eh, yung sa own days na gusto niya, nasira. So, yun. Paghahanap kami ng, tara, ate, hanap pa tayo. Yan. Ano ba gusto mo? Yung ganyan or plastic? Ito yung mga cute eh. Ha?
Umakin mo na.
Ah, you're
To
trying.
see if there's any discomfort.
If there's any discomfort,
Other than the glasses.
ate, check mo yung fit mo, tas mag-walk ka. Ano, clear ba?
Opo.
Hindi ka nahihilo?
Hindi.
Ilan yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Parang ang ganda rin pala ng mga ganito, no? Pero hindi ko naman kailangan to. Nag-check-check lang ako. Parang ang ganda. Para kang wala lang suot.
Ayan.
Pag maghahanap ka, suot mo muna yung ano mo, tas tanggalin mo na lang. Yan.
Eh, kasi I have to.
Hindi tanggalin mo. Kasi hindi, ganun na ganun ka sa salamin dito. Nahilo kayo guys, sorry ah. Di mo makita? Look here. Nice. Wait. Imaginein mo kung pagsuot mo kung comfortable ka. Puro comfortable. Ganyan yung tinry ko ate. Imagine. Frameless siya. Kaso kailangan maingat ka dyan.
I don't think I can do that.
Pero bagay sa'yo, in fairness. Parang kang walang suot.
I tried out one similar to it, but it's clear.
Pang bata. Yeah. Doon, tingin ka doon. Mas malapit. Dito.
Ah?
Ano? Bagay pala sa'yo yan? Ito yung nagustuhan niya, yung frameless. Kaso nga, fragile nga yan siya. At hindi maingat si ate. Ingatan mo na lang kung yan talaga gusto mo. Final. Check. Huling check pa dun.
Wow! Wow, parang bait-bait. Parang
Pero
lagi
wag.
nag-aaral.
Huwag ka magsasalamin ha.
How about me, Oli? Is this good?
Give me the camera.
You want to video me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Careful.
Do you like it?
Do you like it?
Okay. Buti may available.
Unlike last time.
Yeah. Yan.
Ikaw.
What did you sing that?
Ikaw sa bente. Walang kaibigan. Sebe. Ito feeling ko bagay. Tingin. Wow! Nakaka-genius. Parang dire-diretso magsalita.
Oli, look. Wow. Wow. What? How about this one? Who is this?
Joey.
Zoe. Good job.
This Dino. Yeah.
Paano mo nalaman na si Gino to?
And then that's Joey.
How about this one?
What is his name?
Derpy.
JP.
Si Fern. Tsaka si
I found
Hazel.
Hello Kitty.
Isn't he with a no?
I found Hello Kitty. I found Hello Kitty.
Yeah. Si Yuno.
I found Scooby.
Yeah. Kuromi. Ito, kilala mo?
Opo. It's that one guy who turned out really pretty at the...
Demon Slayer.
Opo. You don't know who makes the swords. So
Ito,
Mira.
si Midoriya.
Mira.
I think I found si Urara, Kata, Miracle, and...
Oh, Mira. Si Mira daw. Ang galing mo naman. Chucky. Oo nga, no? May Chucky. Look, oh, you want this? It says, he wants you to be your best friend.
No.
Ayun mo. Ayun, oh. He wants you for a best friend. Hi, I'm Chucky. Gusto daw ni Oli yun.
No.
Why? It's ano.
I want.
Come on. Tataranta na tong batang to. Dami na. Oh, oh.
I found.
Wow.
Do you have it?
No. How about Skittles?
No.
Oh, you don't want Skittles?
Sige na, get mo na.
I said this one.
Pochi. Gusto niya i-try yung pochi.
Okay.
Can I have?
Okay, what else? Baon mo yan sa school tomorrow. What else, Oli? How about this one?
Yes.
Di ba may mga parang Oreo pa doon sa bahay? O yung pwede niya ibaon?
Wala na. Ang natira na lang doon mga potato fries. Tataranta ka.
Gusto niya ba ng strawberry pa?
Opo. My favorite flavor is strawberry.
Okay, Oli?
You want Oreo strawberry?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite?
Yes.
Wow.
Walang mga ganito na? Ha?
Wala.
Wala na. Wow, yan! Baon mo tomorrow, Oli! Your baon tomorrow is Hello Kitty! You like it?
Yes.
Parang sumanting yan sa blueberry din eh.
Can I have it?
Okay, put it here. Uy!
No, me.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Be careful. That's it.
Okay na yan. Blueberry na lang. You want blueberry?
This one, blueberry cheesecake. Blueberry cheesecake.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yes.
Strawberry. Or blueberry cheesecake, Ollie. What do you want? Mamaya mo makarinig. Good morning, guys. So, ngayon yung first day ng free trial class ni Ollie. In fairness kay Ollie, nagising ng maaga. 10:30 pa naman yung ano niya, pero nagising siya 8. Kasi nga akala namin 9 a.m. 10:30 pala. Pero prepare lang tayo. Very light snack lang naman daw ang kailangan. Ano yung gusto ni Oli dito? Ito na lang baon niya kasi bumili kami kagabi ng donut. Nagpabili si Oli. Oli, what donut you want here? For your baon? The strawberry? Yung strawberry daw na Bavarian. Ang kanyang babaon. Light lang. Hindi naman niya mauubos. So, dalawa lang carry. Ay, baka may humingi. Gawin na natin tatlo. Hindi ko muna pinagamit sa kanya yung bago niyang baonan. Tsaka yung tubigan. Pag school na talaga niya. Tapos, doon sa may SM kahapon, SM department, namili rin kami ng mga snack. Kasi nga, naubos na yung mga biscuit namin. So, malapit na rin kami mag-grocery siguro sa isang araw or bukas. Kasi may shoot din ako after eh. Hanggang 12 si Oli sa school ngayon. 2 hours lang sila. Tapos, 1 p.m. Yeah. 1 p.m. may shoot ako. Pero 12 dadating yung makeup artist. So, kaya. What do you want here? Ang suot nila Oli ngayon is naka-jogging pants lang eh. Jogging pants and t-shirt daw. Tapos rubber shoes. You choose. Oreo?
Hurry!
Hurry
What
na.
else you're not gonna go to school?
Dewberry.
You like blueberry?
Puro ka ngayon, strawberry Favorite niya, strawberry flavor. You eat this Baka yung cream lang kunin mo dito.
Strawberry. Yeah.
Lagyan natin ng gummies. Ano nalagyan? Kumain ko na ngayon. Ayan. Ito lang yung baon ni Oli ngayon. Donut, dewberry na strawberry. Strawberry yung donut and Skittles na gummies. Tapos, water. Oli, finish your baon, okay? Sure, you finish it fast, okay? So, ito yung tag dito, bag na gagamitin niya. Niregalo lang sa kanya to nung birthday niya. Parang si Susain ata ng regalo na ito, hindi ako sure. Pero, ayan. Tapos, ito yung pang giveaway niya nung 3rd birthday niya. Yan. Ito yung ginawa sa kanya. Pero, yun. Yung mga bisita namin is may mga ganito din. Nakalagay lang Olivia. Tapos, meron lang siyang extrang damit. Ano ba yung water mo ilalagay? Kasya ba? Louie, kunin mo nga yung nameplate ni Oli. Nandun sa pinaka-lower drawer. Yung pare-pareho kayo, papakuha nga. Yung may Olivia. Yung 3D nameplate. May pinagawa kasi ako dyang mga nameplate. Doon na sa TikTok ko pinagawa. Ayan, kasha. Pinaka-last na drawer. So, yun. Tapos, extra damit. Are you ready, Oli? I'll fix your hair. You answer teacher na, okay? I promise, you will not be shy anymore. Cute!
Did you bring my water bottle?
Yeah, here.
Oh, that's my water bottle.
Okay.
But I'm still brushing my hair.
Okay. Ang galing ah. Are you excited?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. School so fun. School so fun.
Good luck, Oli. Ay, basa pa buhok mo, Oli. Pero konti lang. Basa pa yung buhok. Kaso maliliit na kami. Kailangan ko ng talian. Louie, tapat mo nga dito yung electric fan.
Not working. Can you please help?
Pinapalagay niya to. Ito yung nakuha niya sa Egg Surprise kahapon. Who's this? Sino to, Oli? It's Daisy.
Daisy? Look, that's my name.
Yeah. This one, Oli, ito yung pinagawa ko sa TikTok. Yan, may pangalan na niya. You love it? Come on. Wear it. You're all wearing all pink. It's like that. It says Oli, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it fit you?
Yeah.
It says Oli. Say, this is my name.
Oh, wait. What does that say?
Olivia Feliz Austria. When someone asks you, what's your name? What will you say? What will you say? Say, my name
My name
is
is
Olivia.
Olivia.
You can call me Oli. May Dutch milk siya dyan.
May trigo.
O sige, malamig na. Sorry. Earpiece.
Ito.
Don't move too much. So I can fix your hair. Kasi ba yung suklay na binili ko na yung isahan. Hindi ko makita dyan sa lagayan.
Ano yung sukulay?
Yung parang single. Hindi ko makita dyan eh. Yung parang ang patahin naman.
Nasa taas pa yun.
Hindi, nandiyan ko lang nilagay.
What did that say? What did that say, Mom?
Olivia Feliz. Can you say Feliz? Austria.
Austria.
Very good.
You putting some more?
Just a little bit.
You love your hair? Yeah.
Di pantay, Oli. Sorry. Ang hirap talaga ng buhok mo. Alam niyo, kahit yung Koreano, nahirapan sa buhok ni Oli. Nagulat siya, 3 daw yung puyo. Hindi niya sinabing puyo, pero parang naguluhan siya. Yung isa, makapal, yung isa manipis. Kamo, yan na uso ngayon. Hindi pantay. Look, Oli, look.
Are you excited? Yes. Close your eyes and mouth.
I'm sorry. They will say, wow. You're so bango, Oli.
Okay, it's all done. You like it? Oh, I forgot to wipe it. Wipey, wipey. Okay, stop.
Am I pretty? Oh, your bag naman, your bag. Oh, can you try?
Yes.
Wow, is it heavy?
Is it okay?
Really? Can you show them?
Yes, like that.
Wait, Oli. So cute. Ada pa natin. 1, 2, 3, smile! Smile! Look here. Yay! Side naman, side. Like that, okay?
Okay.
Yan. Look here. Look at mommy. 1, 2, 3. Yay! It's so cute. Turn around. Last, I'll picture your bag. Because this is so cute. Right? Ali! Ali, look at mama. Look at mama. Ali. Okay. All done. Are you excited?
Yes.
Sumama ang buong pamilya. Supportive ang mga ate. Let's go, Ali! Are you excited? Are you say hi? Say what?
You have to look at the animals.
Yes, come on.
Let's look at the animals.
Ali. Say hi, Birdie.
The bird is. But the bird is. But the bird
Is
is
it?
pooping.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Can I see? Oh, yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Look at the hamster.
The hamster looks squirty.
Yeah.
I need to go into bed. Another hamster.
Yeah, another hamster. Ayan, ang cute. Oh. Pinaglalaba-laba sila, guys. Magmamap, ganun. Montessori style talaga siya. Ah, let's go na. Wow, no, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Later na yan, okay?
I can't.
You sit down na, sit down. You will watch movie.
Only go. Sit down. Just like this.
There, oh. Ayun. Go.
Hurry.
Ayun, go. Sit down na dun. Any chair, Ollie?
Let's sit there. Let's go. Come on. Let's run in. We're so beautiful.
I say thank you. Wow! Good job, Ollie. You got your ID na. Yan yung inaantay mo. Sit down na, Ollie. Sit down.
Hurry, go. So that you
Go. No. Ollie, sit down na dun. Again. This is so cute. Wow. Go, Ollie. Go. Follow the blue line. Follow them. Go. Let's go. Come on. Wow. Yay. Follow the blue line. Where's the blue line? Very good. Good job, Ollie. Up here. Oh, go. Follow the blue line. Go, follow them. Good job, Ollie. Very good. Good job, Ollie. Very good. Good job. Smile.
Let's go.
Go. Ate, ganyan ka din dati. Nagka-cry ka. Yung una ko itang iniwan. Yung nursery. Yung ganun, hindi kay Ollie Si Ollie di nag-cry eh. Grabe guys, lahat umiiyak. Parang ang pinasukan nila is horror house. Horror escape. Hindi lang ako sure kung umiiyak si Ollie. Parang hindi mo narinig si Ollie, no?
Mas
Sana.
malakas
Ha?
si cries loud.
Yeah, pero wala, no? Narinig mo? Hindi.
I know what Ollie's cry sounds like. I don't hear her crying.
You don't hear her? Yeah. Ako rin hindi ko rin marinig eh. Pero normal naman yun, lalo na mga ganyang edad. Tapos first day. Parang ito oh.
What about
It looks like she had fun.
Good job!
Yeah, you did great, children. See? It's fun.
High five.
high five? Harder.
Did you cry?
Did
you cry? Very good!
you have fun? What did you do?
What did you do? Are you sure you had fun?
Ollie, did you make friends? I
Parang dami mo pinagdaanan doon sa
Did you make friends?
Really?
Where?
Did you listen to your teacher? Really?
Where's your friend? Where's your friend?
You want to go again tomorrow? You will go again here tomorrow? And now you will play with them tomorrow? Huh? And you will play with them tomorrow?
And you will dance so much, right?
And you're gonna right? Okay, let's go.
Hold hand. Is that your friend?
Say bye.
That's my friend, right?
What? That's your friend? You said bye to them?
Yeah.
Say bye. See you tomorrow. Sabi naman ng teacher, umiyak si Oli pero tumigil din naman daw agad. Right? Tapos nag-eat ng konting donut.
Wow, you eat so many donuts.
Hindi niya naubos kasi distracted daw si Oli. Siyempre, first day, right, Oli? Yay! Good job! I'm so proud of you.
Is it the best school ever? Yes.
Baby?
It's so very bright.
Yeah. Are you a cutie baby babe?
This is the best school ever? Ollie, this is my school too, right? Yes.
Check ang baon.
Who wants
Parang bigat pa.
me? Go.
Oh wow, at least nag-eat ng isang donut tsaka yung Did you eat the Skittles, Ollie?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Really? Very good.
Life right now is a movie.